Globally, over 1 billion people need a home today, and this number would go up to 4 billion by 2030. Hello everyone, I am Abhimanyu Singh, co-founder and CEO of Team Expressions. We are based out of India in the city called Jaipur. Construction industry needs to reinvent itself. This industry is one of the oldest and the biggest in the market. But unfortunately, this industry is the least innovative among all. This industry is still using age-old materials, methods and processes. And we are challenging them by providing a new age construction technique that uses recycled paper in its core. Yes, you have heard it right. It's recycled paper. We call this as a wonder material. This wonder material is called composite paper honeycomb panel. This panel is made up of recycled paper honeycomb sandwiched between two face materials. In this case, this is cement fiberboard. This is a patented technique. We have received a process patent this year for this innovation. This technique is super fast. This is modular in nature. This is super lightweight. This technique has excellent properties of sound and thermal insulation. And this is the only drywall system in the market which is 100% eco-friendly. It's essentially a prefabricated technique where we will design and fabricate everything in the factory, and we will be transporting everything on site, and our team will go to the site and install a home for the user within a matter of few weeks. Essentially, it's a B2B2C technique. We are working closely with real estate developers, architects and influencers. But our end consumers are people who cannot afford a home, basically the underserved community and homeless people. Training and skill development is an integral part of the program. We will be training the users to build their own homes and helping us so that they can learn a new skill for their employment in future. I'm really looking forward for this opportunity. Obama Foundation Scholar program will be an important milestone in my startup journey. It will give me a new leadership skills. This platform will be a great platform to meet fellow innovators, leaders, and policymakers, and to showcase our idea to various stakeholders. I am really sure that this platform will be a great place to showcase our innovation, and I'm really looking forward for this. Let's eradicate the homelessness together, and we want your help in taking this idea forward. Thank you so much. Bye bye.